The DC gear motor drive using L293D is a motor control board specifically designed for driving small to medium DC gear motors. It uses the L293D IC as the main driver and is ideal for robotic vehicles, conveyor belts, and a range of DIY projects. It is also great for applications where directional control and speed variation of DC motors are required. The L293D IC contains two H-bridge driver circuits to control the two phases of a DC motor. By applying logic at the input pins, you can control the motor's direction and speed. The PWM, pulse width modulation, pins on the board allow 4-speed control by varying the width of the applied pulses. It also features flyback diodes to protect the IC from voltage spikes when the motor stops or changes direction. A DC gear motor drive using L293D is a motor driver module designed to control DC gear motors. It uses the L293D IC, capable of driving two motors bidirectionally. This module simplifies the control of geared DC motors and is commonly used in robotics, automation, and various projects requiring precise and efficient motor control.